All right, traders, get ready to take your trading and investing to a whole new level because we're hosting our flagship event, Bridging the Gap. During this 4-day event, we'll be bridging 3 important and common trading gaps in trading: the knowledge gap, the trade plan gap, and the execution gap. At this workshop, you'll receive massive value as you benefit from training and experience that others have paid literally thousands for. You'll learn proven strategies that professional traders use on a day-to-day basis throughout a wide range of financial markets, whether that's Forex or stocks or even cryptocurrency. So get ready to vastly expand your knowledge and understanding of the markets as you work directly with us for 4 days as we share techniques and tactics that have undergone literally decades of research and development. You'll bypass some of the most costly mistakes and major setbacks, and you'll meet other traders just like you who have overcome the odds and achieved their goal of becoming a consistently profitable trader. Plus, you'll have the opportunity to win one of many giveaways taking place throughout the week, valued at up to $3,000. So sign up now and get your free space. And although you'll always get more from these events by being there in person, if you register, you'll also get access to the recordings too. So book in now and I'll see you there.